Edit like a pro. CapCut Editing Basics. Editing in CapCut is straightforward and user-friendly. Follow the step-by-step instructions to edit your videos effectively using CapCut. Step 1. Install CapCut. Download CapCut. Go to your device App Store, Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS. Search and install. Look for CapCut by ByteDance. Tap on Install to download the app. Step 2. Open CapCut and start a new project. Launch CapCut. Tap on the CapCut icon on your home screen to open the app. Create new project. Once in the app, tap on New Project to start a new editing session. Step 3. Import your video clips. Import media. Tap on the Import button. Looks like a folder with a plus sign. To browse and select video clips from your device gallery. Select clips. Choose the clips you want to include in your project and tap Confirm or Import. Step 4. Arrange and edit your clips. Add clips to timeline. Drag and drop the imported clips onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen to arrange them in the desired order. Trim clips. Tap on a clip in the timeline to select it, and drag the ends of the clip to trim its length. Split clips. Position the playhead, red vertical line where you want to split a clip. Tap on the clip and then tap Split to divide it into two separate clips. Step 5. Apply transitions and effects. Add transitions. Tap on the transition icon between two clips on the timeline. Choose a transition style and adjust its duration if needed. Apply filters and effects. Tap on a clip in the timeline. Then tap on Filter to apply color filters. Use Effect to add various effects like glitch or blur. Step 6. Add text, stickers, and audio. Tap on the text icon to add text overlays. Type your text and customize the font, size, color, and animation. Include stickers. Tap on the sticker icon to browse and add stickers or emojis to your video. Add music or voiceovers. Tap on the music icon to add background music. You can import music from your device or choose from CapCut's library. Use the voice icon to record a voiceover directly. Before we proceed, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step 7. Adjust audio and volume levels. Adjust audio. Tap on the audio track in the timeline to reveal options to adjust volume. Fade in or out or mute or unmute audio. Fine-tune volume. Use keyframes to adjust volume levels dynamically across the timeline for more precise control. Step 8. Preview and export your video. Preview your project. Tap on the play button to preview your edited video. Make any necessary adjustments. Export video. Once satisfied with your edits, tap on the Export button. Choose the desired video quality, resolution, and frame rate, and tap Export again to save your video to your device. Step 9. Save and share. Save your project. After exporting, CapCut will save your edited video to your device gallery automatically. After exporting, CapCut will save your edited video to your device gallery automatically. Share your video. Tap on the share icon to upload your video directly to social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. By following these steps, you can efficiently edit videos using CapCut, enhancing them with various effects, transitions, and audio adjustments to create professional-looking videos directly from your mobile device. To come to the end of this journey together, remember, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. So dream big, believe in yourself, and let your unique magic shine bright. Thank you for joining me on this enchanting adventure. Until we meet again, may your days be filled with wonder and your heart with joy. Remember, you are the author of your own story, so make it a tale worth telling. Embrace the magic within you and make every moment sparkle with possibility. Stay inspired, stay magical, and keep spreading your light. Farewell for now, and see you soon in our next magical rendezvous.